Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable an option which allows you to hang up calls by pressing on the side button on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To do it, go to Phone app, then click on three dots and click on Settings. Then you can go to answering and ending calls, and now you can press side button to end call. Now whenever you receive a call like that, you can end it by clicking on the side button like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.